that why it's called the fucking garden? What is this? Why is his hair made out of wool? His face is scary. The Gretcher family. Have we seen them before? Maybe. No, not yet. Okay. Leonardo Harpoon. That's the motherfucker's name. Damn. Oh, this feels like a big mission, like more than an episode mission. That's crazy. Her manager's with the garden.
Yeah.
The Shadow Government Garden. So if she's Thorn, what do you think like the other names are? They got like different flower names and stuff. Vine.
Maybe they're all thorns.
Weed.
Thorns in the garden.
Hey!
Nisa.
Nisa. Yeah, I'm saying, why you being a dick to Lloyd, bro?
I won't.
Got such an issue with Lloyd, bro.
Fuck was that, bro?
I don't know. Oh. Oh. She's having second thoughts. That's good.
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh,
He's so happy. The dude was so happy.
Awesome, dude. Yeah, he was kind of happy about it, huh? He's like, oh. Yeah, he would be though. He's a spy. I mean, he's a suspicious guy.
Oh, well, that's not bad. Oh no.
Oh. A job battling assassins. Damn, you quickly just went to the evil side, bro.
Oh no. The darkness.
It's winning. Aw, she's already turning bad. That's what the bad one wanted.
Whoa. That's so nice.
Yeah, that's nice.
He hasn't had one of those.
Yeah. Aw, Frankie has to stay home too. I like that he's considered part of the family. It's Bond and Frankie. He's like looking at her like, what the? They're both looking at her like, what the fuck are you doing? Wow.
Shit's definitely going down. Well.
And it's a nice ass room though.
I mean, if they see the baby, is that a dead giveaway?
Oh, you don't know, bro. He don't know. A shopping mall. I know when we went on that cruise, they had like a little couple of stores, but it's, I don't know about a shopping mall, dude. What the fuck? The strongest. Look at her liquor. What kind of liquor is that? Who's that voice?
Can you repeat that? Where have we heard him recently?
I'm pretty sure that's... I'm gonna be wrong. I don't like being wrong, but I'm pretty sure that's Sukuna.
Who?
Sukuna?
Oh, let me hear it again.
Is that crazy to think?
No, that's not our boy.
It's not?
No.
Junichi Suwabe. I was right. Yeah,
I was
right.
just testing you.
Oh yeah, you were testing me. Yeah. No, I get it.
I was just testing
you. Yeah, you just gotta test me sometimes, you know. You just gotta test. Hey, how old's a baby, bro? You look like an old baby. You look like a 2 or 3 year old baby. Oh, she did some plastic surgeries?
Maybe she got a mask.
Didn't she know about that? She literally heard the story and everything. Aw. No. Baby can tell that mama's sad and so...
What about the baby?
Shit's about to go down, dude. She gonna defend. This girl ain't dying.
Oh my god.
What'd she say? I was not paying attention. I was slapping the shit out of my leg. I'm sorry. I was in the zone. Papa, we need to hurry and explore the ship before... What the fuck, Anya?
Look at everyone's reaction.
Anya is a little ball of chaos, dude. Whoa. Aw, no. You're disagree.
The wig?
Or not. Just some summer clothes. Like 2 mom friends?
Moms.
Aww. Your? Or not. I thought Lloyd was gonna recognize her instantly. Look at the water. Whoa. Aww.
That kid is... Why he built like that?
Besh.
Very besh.
Damn. Spy device. Where is it? Motherfuckers are listening, bro. Where they at? Who the fuck? Uh-oh.
The fuck?
Oh shit!
Here we go again.
It's going down. All right, Dinah. All right, so what do you think about this this garden and the shadow government, and you've got the shopkeeper, this guy with the wool hair. What do you think about the wool hair guy?
I don't know. Sussy. Who is it?
Yeah. Well, he's just the guy. He's just the guy that runs
They're all thorns in the garden.
Yeah, maybe they are. And then the cruise itself, what do you think about it? They're like stuck in like this shitty, but next time we go on a cruise, we're going to the shitty rooms. All right?
We're going to the barracks.
Yeah, I'm saying, cause like we went on a cruise to the Caribbean during like Valentine's this year.
It's my birthday.
Yeah, and it was a lot of money. It was like, I mean, dude, it's just ridiculous, dude. And all you get from the room that we got, like there's a balcony.
You were barely in there, so.
I know, it's like, what the fuck? All we did was go in there to sleep anyways. Why do you need something? Yeah, I think that it just makes more sense to just get a shitty room.
In the barracks.
In the barracks.
In the trenches.
Yeah. Now there's a spy, dude. The spy's gonna find him. I don't know. It's kind of crazy. With that said, we'd love to know what you all thought about this one. Both episodes down in the comments below. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, then like the video and subscribe to the channel with notifications on so you don't miss another one. Until next time, make sure you all keep it fresh. Peace.